Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning and welcome to the Speak Fluent channel. What do you want?
I want to know how to improve English language skills.
Improving English skills can be a challenging task, but with consistent effort and dedication, it is definitely achievable. Here are some tips that can help you improve your English skills. 1. Read extensively. Reading is one of the best ways to improve your English skills. Read books, newspapers, articles, and anything that interests you. This will help you improve your vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension skills. Point 2. Practice speaking. Speaking is an essential part of learning any language. Try to speak in English as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. Join a language exchange program or find a language partner to practice speaking with. Point 3. Listen to English. Listening to English will help you improve your pronunciation, comprehension, and vocabulary. Watch English movies, TV shows, and listen to English podcasts or audiobooks. Point 4. Write regularly. Writing is a great way to practice your grammar, spelling, and sentence structure. Start a journal, write emails, or participate in online forums to practice your writing skills. Point 5. Take a course. Enroll in an English course to get structured learning and guidance. A course will help you improve your grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. Point 6. Use English apps. There are many English learning apps available that can help you improve your skills. Duolingo, Bubble, and Rosetta Stone are some popular apps that you can try. Remember, improving your English skills takes time and effort. Be patient, consistent, and keep practicing.
Thanks.